Adding a facility in KettleiQ. In this short training, I'll show you where your production locations live, how to add one with the right type and time zone, and why to set it up before you build out equipment. Let's take a look. You'll find this under Settings, Facilities from your dashboard. This is your facilities list, every physical location where you produce, package, or store product. Each one drives where you can assign equipment, schedule batches, and track inventory by location. Click Add Facility, then give it a name your team will actually recognize, like Main Production or Taproom Annex. And choose the facility type: production, warehouse, taproom, or contract site. Enter the address exactly as it appears on your permit. That's what shows on compliance filings and shipping documents. Then set the time zone, which controls how I record production timestamps here. Add a TTB registry number if this location has one. Once you review everything and save, this facility is selectable anywhere you assign equipment, schedule batches, or track inventory. So get it set up before you build out equipment or work orders.